Reduce the following network to a single voltage source in series with a resistance. Use source transformation and source shifting techniques. In this circuit, no any resistors are in series, even no any resistors are in parallel. Now let us see, is it possible to apply source transformation anywhere? With this current circuit, we cannot apply source transformation because no any resistor is in series with voltage source or no any resistor is in parallel with current source. To this circuit, now we must apply source shifting. Let us call this node as C, this is D, this is E, this is F. In first step, we'll apply current shifting. We'll try to shift this current. As we know, the current is moving from D to C. Instead of making it to move from D to C, I'll make the current to move from D to A and A to C. It is as good as moving from D to C. Similarly, I can apply voltage shifting here. At node E, two branches are connected. One is 16 ohm branch, another one is 6 ohm branch. Now we supposed to apply this voltage source to this branch and this branch separately. Let us reduce the circuit. This is the circuit we will get after applying source shifting to this circuit, where the current source is connected between D to A and A to C. Similarly, the voltage source is connected between to the branch CE and to the branch EB. And this point supposed to be shorted because there was a voltage source. After shifting the voltage source to these two branches, we supposed to short these two nodes. Now we can observe here that the current source is in parallel with 10 ohm. Similarly, here this current source is in parallel with 4 ohm. Now we can apply source transformation to this part and this part. We can reduce the circuit further. Now look at this circuit. Source transformation is applied here. We know that V equal to IR. V is 90, R is 10, that is 900 volts. The direction of voltage source is plus minus because the direction of current is D to A. So towards A positive polarity, towards this side negative polarity. Similarly, apply source transformation to this part, will get 4 ohm resistor in series with a voltage source. The magnitude of voltage source is 90 into 4, that is 360. The polarity is, this is plus, this is minus. 16 ohm is connected as it is, 20 ohm is connected as it is, and this 60 volt voltage source is connected as it is as well. This part is as it is. Now we can observe here that 4 ohm is in series with 16 ohm as well. 10 ohm is in series with 20 ohm. Similarly, 360 volt voltage source is in series with 60 volt voltage source. We can reduce this circuit further as now observe this circuit. 20 ohm resistor is in series with 300 volt voltage source. So we can apply source transformation to this part. Similarly, we can apply source transformation to this part, so that we get I is equal to V by R, that is 300 divided by 20, which is equal to 15 amps. Similarly, for this I is equal to V by R, that is 900 divided by 30, which is nothing but 30 amps. We'll reduce the network further as now observe this circuit. Here 20 ohm resistor is in parallel with 30 ohm resistor. I can replace these two resistors by single resistor, that is R equivalent equal to 20 parallel with 30, which is nothing but 20 into 30 divided by 20 plus 30. The value of this will be 12 ohm. I can redraw the circuit as. Similarly, 15 amp current source is in parallel with 30 amp current source. I can replace these two current source by single current source of magnitude 15 amp. Similarly, here I can apply source transformation. I can transform voltage source into current source. That is 60 divided by 6 is 10 amp. The same resistor will appear in parallel, that is 6 ohm. This 12 ohm is connected as it is. Now in this circuit 12 ohm and 6 ohm are in parallel. I can further reduce this circuit as 12 and 6 are in parallel. The equivalent value is 4 ohm. Now apply source transformation to this. Convert current source into voltage source. I can write the resistor will come in series. V is equal to IR, 15 into 12. The direction will be plus minus. The magnitude, this is 180 volt. Similarly, the 4 ohm resistor will be in series. I can apply source transformation here. Direction of voltage source is plus minus. This is 40 volts. Now 12 ohm and 4 ohm are in series. I can replace this with single resistor of magnitude 16 ohm. 180 voltage source and 40 volt voltage source are in series but opposite in polarity. Take the difference. Difference is 140 volt. The direction polarities are plus minus. So this is the final circuit after simplification. This is how source transformation and source shifting can be applied to a complex network to reduce this into a simpler network. In my next lecture, I will discuss about star delta and delta star conversations. Thank you.